Hey guys, thanks for joining me here on this lovely Saturday morning in February. Today I want to do an install of a snorkel on my truck. So I've been doing a lot of research online. It looks like the LC-80 snorkel will fit relatively close on a 4th gen 4Runner. So doing a lot of reading, asked a lot of people for advice, and I think I'm going to try it today. So didn't look like anybody did a video on YouTube about this, so I just wanted to record it and let you guys know how it turned out. Here's what you need to get started with this modification. First off, the snorkel I purchased through Amazon was a generic Land Cruiser 90 series snorkel. That kit ran me about $70 and came with all the necessary hardware to connect it to your airbox. I also had to purchase a rivet kit, a 4-inch hole saw, a 1/16 inch drill bit, the blue thread lock, and some silicone. The only other thing that could have been helpful during the install is a step-up bit, so be sure to grab one of those too. Full disclosure, this video will show you how to install the snorkel onto your vehicle, but the final step in the install, attaching it to the air intake, is not included. This is because I'm planning on going a different direction now, so I do not want to damage the air intake box. I will, however, attempt to explain the final step. You will start by removing the bolts for the top of the fender and pulling that back to give you room to work. Next, remove the bolts holding the end of the air intake and pull that out of the sidewall. Finally, I pulled off my old stickers. Now the snorkel kit comes with a crappy and inaccurate template. You'll need to create your own for the install. I taped the template onto the fender and marked the spot where the 4-inch hole would need to be made. After checking to see if it fit, I drilled out the holes for the screws. This is where the step-up bit would have come in useful. Finally, I marked the holes for the top bracket and drilled holes in the passenger side pillar. I put some silicone around the holes and used the provided rivets to attach the bracket. Finally, I put the rubber sleeve on the end of the snorkel, fit it in the hole, and bolted it to the fender. Now to attach your airbox, you will need to cut the end that fits in the fender off and jam it into the rubber sleeve. Even though I didn't finish this project, I hope that seeing this process will inspire some DIYers to do the install. Right now I'm saving up for parts to take a different approach to my front end. If you like this sort of stuff, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.